How to get $80 Costco coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box. Type in Costco coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Coupon Follow. This is the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Costco. Now I can scroll down and check out the offers. $30 off, 25% off, $50 off, and many more. Here towards the offer that you wanna grab, just click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it, then click on Redeem at Costco. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're gonna get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this website you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Costco. The process is exact same. Lastly, what you can do is head towards this one website as well, Groupon. This is also the legit website where you're gonna find working coupon code for Costco. So that's where you can easily get up to $80 working coupon code for Costco. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.